This is by OXO. It's called Clarity. It's an electric kettle, and it's a cordless electric kettle. But what's unique or special about this one is it's glass. And let me quickly show you up close of the box. You can probably pause the video. You want to see the detail on the sides. You know what's that saying? A watch pot never boil. Pretty much, but this one is worth to watch. Here's some of the specs. They have a removable filter, large capacity. It's a 1.7 liter, roughly 7 cups, maybe 57 ounces or so. Borsolated glass. I'm not sure if I pronounced it right. The measurements on the side. It's cordless. It's cordless when it come off the plug. It stay cool. What's neat about this is when it's finished boiling, it's safe to touch. It won't burn you, or it won't burn your table. What else? Illuminate so that you know it's on. Automatic shut off. All right, let's unbox this. All right, and this is how it looks on the top. Congratulations, pretty much the quick start. They do have a little sticker here that say that it's been tested, and if you see some water in it, it's because they test the machine, so don't be alarmed. All right, here's up close. Okay, 60 ounces. That's the max. Over here is in liters. So that's pretty nice. There's two measurement, and the minimum. I think water, you need minimums up here. Soft opening, so it won't splash you. I couldn't find any detailed video on YouTube, so that's why I'm going to do a quick video for you guys. Here's the mesh. It's metal, so it's easy to clean. Okay, now let's see it in action. My old kettle. I have this one for, I like to say, 5+ years already. And it's still good, there's nothing wrong with it. I just want a new kettle. And you can see how it looks. There you go, it's done. Hey, it's cool. That's pretty awesome. So you don't have to worry about burning your table.